Good afternoon, Teacher Lika. My name is Angela Patricia Espitia Viracacha. I am a student pedagogue in Chile. 7 course. I live in Bogota. My telephone number is 316-3351-744. My mail is angeluspati@gmail.com. I am going to talk about technology and environment. Technology and environment satisfy human needs to provide good service and well-being. However, some technological advances, so and industrial ones, are seriously affecting the quality of the environment. For the reason we must ensure that science and technology help us to preserve the environment through methods that, for example, use renewable energy sources, promote the recycling of reusable materials to prolong the useful life of the hygienic service and the reduce the pollution of the rivers. Protect the forest areas to avoid fires, generate a citizenship for a better management of the resources we have available daily. The problem of the environment must matter to all living beings that inhabit the planet Earth, and therefore we must all support the causes that seek to improve the conditions of the environment. Thank you, Teacher Lika, and classmates for your attention. I hope this information has been of your interest.